Hey, good morning. It's Saturday. It's been about 3 weeks since I planted the plants in the earth boxes, maybe 4 weeks. So I just want to kind of give y'all a little update. We've had some rain a couple of days and last couple of days, and they've really grown a lot, right? Like a lot. Man, I didn't realize how my COVID quarantine beard's getting way out of control. So let's take a look at them. All right, I'm gonna flip y'all around real quick and let you look at them here. Well, maybe I'm not. Maybe I'm just gonna spin it around. So there's our tomato plants. Man, they've really taken off. You can see the blooms. Right, probably got some baby tomatoes down in here somewhere, huh? Yeah, maybe not. I was really hoping we would. Oh, there's a couple. See. Couple little baby tomatoes coming up. My jalapenos, man, I'm really disappointed in my jalapenos. They're just not kicking it like they should. But it could be because I don't have enough dirt in there. I told y'all that before. There's one little baby jalapeno. I'm actually probably going to pull up the one on the right and get another one. Look at those cucumbers. Holy moly. So, our deal is we want them to grow this way. Right, we don't want them to grow out. We want them to grow up so you can reach in and grab them, right? There's a nice little cucumber right there. I might go ahead and pick that today. That'll be pretty good to eat. See if we can find another one in here. Look at that. There's a baby. There's another one. See how they start to trail off? All these little guys are going to wrap around, right? So see how they're wrapping around right there? So we want them growing up. So all those blooms are going to be good cucumbers. Now here's my my green beans. So today or tomorrow, I'm probably going to put them in cages just to see how they move around. We've had some rain, a lot of wind, so they're moving. So just give them a little more stability. See, you can tell how that one's been moving. We really want to keep this stable. Little ladybug right there. So I just want to give you an update, right? I mean, I truly believe in the earth boxes. I think they do great. Plus, those marigolds, I don't know if they work or not. My mom swears by them. But they also give a little color to your garden. Look at the color. That's awesome. That's awesome. So just want to give you a little update, let you know what's going on with my earth boxes. So again, I think we're 4 weeks out. The green beans were planted. I planted those, I think, 2 weeks ago. So I did the video a week and a half ago, maybe. So, they're coming along a little slower. Y'all have a good day. So a little recap on the earth boxes, right? There's a link below if you want to purchase them. There's fertilizer, all kinds of stuff down below. Just kind of scroll down. If you would, hit the subscribe button to just let me know that you're interested. Hit the like button if you like the video. I know these are uncut, but I'm working with an iPhone, and my editing skills are horrible at this point, but I'm working on it. All right, it's Saturday morning, probably about 7:30, 8 o'clock. Y'all have a good weekend.